Hi, Mary Jo. Hi, Mary Jo.
Hi, Amy. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Can you guys hear me?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry. So, how's the show going?
Oh, well, it's 393 basketball courts full of gadgets. So 25
Wow.
miles of walking, and that's just through the convention center. There's hotel suites that are filled, with companies and gadgets. So it's total sprawl. I mean, it's all over the strip. A lot to see.
Wow. So, I understand you have a few highlights that you found.
Yes, yes, definitely a couple of things that highlight some of the big trends. First of all, smartphones are definitely one of the biggest categories this year at the show. And this is the LG Mobile Optimus G. And this is a multitasking wonder. It's really designed for power users. It's a quad core processor with 4G LTE. And what this does is a couple of cool features. Quick memo. It allows you to do a screen grab and then write a note or a memo or draw a picture with your finger, and then you can send it as a text or an email. It also has something called Q Slide, which lets you do two functions at once, like watching a movie and sending a text. And there's also something called live zoom, where you're able to zoom in on the intricate details of a video while it's playing back or while you're recording. So that's a very cool phone. And again, smartphones, one of the biggest categories here at the show. Then, when you think about your smartphone, it's kind of like a mini computer, and you have all this information on it, your personal information, your call logs, all your data. Well, what you want to do is protect that, and there is NQ Mobile Security, and this is a free app. You would download this to your Android phone or your tablet, and what this does basically is it just goes through a checklist. It is antivirus, malware. People don't realize there's more than 2,000 new malware viruses, mobile malware, discovered every day. There's over 240 million different subscribers to this app, and basically what you're doing is you're protecting all of your information. People actually download apps. They're on their, they have, 2 hours they're using their apps every day, and 41 apps on their phone. So definitely something to consider for the new year. And then the connected car. Subaru is here. They are launching their new Starlink in-cabin technology. It's software, it's hardware, all connectivity that you're able to use seamlessly and easily. They're really going here for simplicity, and this is going to debut on their 2014 Forester. So that will be out later this year, and that's very exciting news from Subaru. And then, how many times have you been in the car and somebody gives you that headlamp flash that you're approaching a speed trap or maybe a red light camera? Well, the new updated digital version of that is the Escort Live ticket protection app. And this is basically, you download this app to your iPhone or to your Android, and it's basically turning your smartphone into a radar detector. I'm going to show you here. So you're basically, before you go, you're part of a ticket protection network, of a social network of drivers that are all notifying one another of what's going on out there, so you're able to, avoid these potential ticket hazards. So that's from Escort, and free download.
That's free. Wow, that's awesome. I just flashed my lights at somebody yesterday because I saw a radar trap, and if I'd had that, then we wouldn't have to do that. That's awesome. So, what are the things that you're seeing that are sort of different from last year's show, besides the trends you kind of talked about?
Well, one of the things we're seeing is the more communal PC experience, the family-style coffee table PC. So many of us, are not connected when we're connecting. Someone's on their iPhone, someone's on their tablet. So basically, this is a family-style communal. It's not even really a PC. It's more an interpersonal computer. So we're seeing that kind of coffee table PC trend. We're also seeing a lot of things here at the show, like impactology and water blocking for smartphones. So, the ultimate protection, bulletproof shielding, and there's even some kind of orange goo here at the show where it's you could pull it like taffy, but then if you put it on your phone and throw it, it creates like this hard surface. There's also 3D printing. So on your iPhone, you can actually create a device, a case that has 3D dimensions. So a lot of interesting things, and there's still more to see. I have 2 days more to go through and look through and see all the gadgets.
Oh, wow. So is there anything else besides some of these key trends in mobile? Because I know you said that was one of the big things. Is there anything else that kind of highlight there? Because you just said a bunch of them, but...
Well, the mobile trend is definitely the overriding trend here, because when you think about it, the car is actually the largest piece of mobile electronics that we own. So, something like this app for the car, the Escort Live, what Subaru is doing, and if you think about it, the building blocks of, cruise control is really, the precedent for all of these different things that are happening. Of course, TVs are always big. Displays are always big here at the show. There was a 4K tablet that was introduced. There are, the Ultra HD TVs, but those are very expensive. That's something that, is down the line. But even in the keynote address that was given, the pre-keynote, it was given by Dr. Paul Jacobs, who is from Qualcomm, a chip maker. And last year, it was Microsoft. So you can see the shift now that really it's all about the smartphones, the tablets, and the mobile world.
And what is a 4K tablet?
A 4K tablet is basically 4 times the resolution of high definition. So that was just a prototype. It's not something that will be out this year for consumers, but just a company that was showing that capability on a tablet. What we've seen so far has only been 4K on a TV.
Oh, wow, that's crazy. Oh, my gosh. Thank you so much, Jamie. Where can we go to get more information about all this stuff and about you?
Absolutely. Check out my website, jamiesgotagadget.com.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a great show.
Thank you.